Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Amara here. So today I'm going to be making granola with my toaster oven. First of all, mix our dried ingredients. This is the first cup of dried oats, rolled oats. The second cup of rolled oats. And then we'll put our quarter cup of chopped almonds, our quarter cup of cashew nuts, quarter cup of salted peanuts. So I'm actually emphasizing that the peanuts are salted already. This is because ideally I should be adding a dash of or a pinch of salt, but I won't be doing that because my peanuts are already salted. Then a dash of cinnamon. If you don't have, you can just use your finger to pinch and drop the cinnamon. So after this, we are going to mix all the dried ingredients and mix them up. My daughter is helping me to mix them. So after mixing them, next we'll add our wet ingredients, our 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and then our 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you don't have maple syrup, you use honey. I want to use maple syrup now. Okay, drizzle it around. So once we've done that, we'll mix everything with our spoon. We'll make sure everything is thoroughly mixed. Do you want to help me? Help me mix. Mix.
Yummy.
This
looks yummy.
Looks yummy.
Yes.
So once we are done mixing everything, I'm going to transfer it to my baking pan. I've lined it with baking paper. So wait, going to spread it on the baking paper. Then we'll spread everything flat on the baking paper. Just make sure everything is flat on the baking paper. Then we'll take it to the oven. Guys, remember I'm making this with my toaster oven. So I'm going to be showing you the setting that a toaster oven would need for this size of quantity of granola. So I'm going to be transferring this to my toaster oven. I did an unboxing of this toaster oven. You can check the unboxing I did for this in my channel. Unboxing of my 50-liter ARSHIA toaster oven. So you can check in my channel and watch the unboxing of this toaster oven. So the setting is going to be, I'm going to put it at 10 minutes first. 10 minutes. After the first 10 minutes, I'm going to turn it, mix it again, and then put it for another 10 minutes. And I'll put it at 190 degrees centigrade. Then, so this is the first 10 minutes, and I'm going to just mix it. First 10 minutes, and I'll just mix them up. So I just finished mixing it again, so I'm going to put it in for the last 10 minutes. Our granola is ready.
It's ready. It's ready.
So guys, this is what we've got. So I'm going to allow it to cool, but before I allow it to cool, I'll just mix everything up. I'll mix it up, the ones that are really toasted up with the ones that are not really toasted. The thing is that we won't allow it to get burnt, right? Allow them to get dried up a bit, but not burnt. So I'm just mixing them up here, and I'll allow it to cool. I opened the window. I opened my window so that the cold air can cool it up very fast. And this is our granola, guys, ready. So once it cools, I'm going to be adding my dried fruits once it cools completely. So once it has cooled a bit, we'll add our quarter cup of dried fruits and mix everything up. So this is it, guys. Our granola is ready. Everything is mixed up. So our granola is ready, guys. Granola is ready. It's very crunchy and yummy. You can chew on it like this. Take with yogurt, Greek yogurt, with smoothie. You can take it with any milk of your choice. I'm going to be showing you how I make my granola. And then I'm going to be using almond milk here. And your granola is ready. So just have it spun like this. So I made a second batch of granola, and in addition to the raisins, I added some candied dried pineapples. So those colorful things you're seeing there are dried pineapples. Granola allows for variety. Actually, that's one of the things I love about granolas. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe and like this video. Guys, like the video.
Hello.
I love granola candy.
Hello, granola candy.
Say subscribe to my mommy's channel, please.
Subscribe to my mommy's channel, please.
And like this video also.
I like this video.
See you soon.
See you
Bye.
soon. Bye bye.